Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable the system navigation option for your gesture bar. So firstly, head over to your settings application, then go to the system option down below. Then from there, click on system navigation, then click on gesture navigator. So now as you can see now it has been hidden, so this is just how to easily do this. So if you need the tutorial for how to use the gesture navigation option, just go back to your settings and you're going to see the gesture tutorial, then you take it here. Okay, so it's going to ask you to do some certain things, so you just have to follow it to know how to operate it. So this is just how you can easily do this, guys. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, guys.